What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're down at my bees again. We just found out Debbie hasn't been active for like 5 days now, and so we're inspecting her in the middle of December, and so we're down here right now inspecting her. And my dad just went up to get the hive tool, and I'm down here doing all this stuff, and we're about to show you what an inside of a hive looks like. This is what inside of a hive looks like right now. My dad is prying the frames apart because they glued them together. These little things right there are called hive beetle traps. A beetle walks over them and they falls into the little sludge that's in that black thing, and they die by
drowning in the oil.
What?
Drowning in the oil.
Drowning in the oil. And so that way they have a lot of honey. That way they don't get attacked by beetles, because we don't want that. Beetles are bad for the bees. We don't like it. It's bad. This right here that I'm touching, that is called a wax patty. They eat that, if you see right there, they eat that and put it in the comb. And my dad's pulling up a frame right now. And then, I know you guys can't see it, but that whole frame right there is full of honey, kind of. There's little spots that's on it that isn't. That's for where the queen can lay. And that frame's full
of
honey. And so that's good. I know there isn't as many bees as they're supposed to. I wish guys could show you that hive. That hive really, it's full of bees. I would be being attacked right now by bees. Now I think I see the queen. Is the queen in there?
No.
The queen is not on that.
Not laying.
But there's bees on that now. There is no brood. That's bad. It means there is no queen, as we think.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go down in the hive a little more.
And so we're about to go take this off to look in the second brooder. This, how wide it is a brooder. There's little tiny ones that are called supers. The supers is where you extract honey out of. The honey is good for people to eat. But the brooders you can't take honey out of. That's for the bees to eat. As you can see, it's real tall. Not real tall, but it's tall for a hive. Now this is what comb looks like. That's comb right there. That brown stuff that my dad's taking off right now. Can I have that? This is comb. That's what they store all the stuff in. Like honey, wax. Well, not wax, sorry. This is wax. All types of different stuff in this. Pollen. So I'm going to set that right there. I can hand it to the other hives if I wanted to. Don't look like much stuff.
It's light. This
bees.
is light. This one is light.
Yeah, it has no honey in it.
I think the queen, for whatever reason, colony collapsed.
And this hive that we're in is my first hive I ever caught.
Yep, no queen. We have pollen gathered there, but the queen's gone.
My dad thinks the queen is gone and means the hive is dead. It has barely any bees. And so we're probably going to take this hive out. That's very sad because we only had it for a year. Year and a half, or I should say. About 2 years. I caught it in like, what was it? What month was it? I don't remember. But there's a lot of black comb. It means they stored a lot of stuff in that comb. Not a pollen.
No brood. There's no brood.
There's no brood. That's very, very bad. And there's nothing in those.
Nope. Nope, this hive's done.
This hive's done. So, at least we got the wax from it.
We got 30 pounds of honey to share from it.
And also 30 pounds of honey. That's sad because I wanted a lot of honey.
For whatever reason,
This hive just left.
she stopped laying and left.
We did check this before winter hit, and it was full of bees. I could have looked down that screen right down there, and I couldn't even see the bottom. That's how full the hive was. Now it's just all gone. And we used to have like 2 brooders and 2 supers, and they were still full. We were going to split it, but now we
It would have been
can't.
good if we did.
It did.
And no, it would have been good if we did.
Yeah, then we have
We
4
have one.
hives.
And we have one. Nothing going.
But all bees are dead.
They're gone. Bees are gone. I mean,
There's still a little bit of bees, but
no, yeah,
they can't make anything.
no, they're gone.
Has to have a queen. You need to buy a queen, and that's too late.
Debbie is done. Okay.
So we're going to put it back together. I'm going to end this video because I don't think you guys want to watch it do it. So if you guys would like and subscribe down below, that would be really helpful. And see you next time.